not use the long division method to divide these decimal numbers. Do this instead. First of all, convert the numbers to fractions and then multiply. Let's go ahead and see how that works. So 0.00289 can be written as, we have to move this decimal point to the point where we want it to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this becomes 289 over 1 and 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simply because we move the decimal point 5 times. Divided by 0.17 can also be written as, we move the decimal point to where we want it to be, 1, 2. So it can be written as 17 over 1 and 2 zeros, which is 100. The next thing to do is to introduce multiplication here. We take away the division and put multiplication, but for that to happen, we need to invert the fraction on the other side. So this becomes 289 over 100,000 times 100 over 17. This divides this, you have 17. Then these 2 zeros cancel 2 zeros down here. So we are left with 17 over 1,000. 17 over 1,000. Now, how do we write this in form of a decimal number? We simply need to move our decimal number or the decimal point to the left. So 17 over 1,000 simply means 17 here, and we move from back. 1, 2, 3. How many zeros do we have here? 3 times. So we stop here. Decimal point exists here. So we can put a 0 here in front. So this can be written as 0.017. That's our final answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly maths tips.